Hello beautiful people, it's Tine again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I will be showing you how to make coffee jelly. So this is my very own version of coffee jelly with a twist. So with a twist siya guys kasi hindi lang naman siya pure coffee. At ang twist na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys ay Milo. Milo kasi alam nyo naman guys, di ba masarap i-join yung Milo and coffee. Kung na-experience nyo na i-mix ang Milo and coffee, sobrang ang sarap guys. So ganyan ang version ko ng coffee jelly. So if you guys wanna know my very easy, very affordable, and very different na coffee jelly, then please keep on watching! These are the ingredients that we will be needing for our coffee jelly. 6 cups of water, coffee, Milo, sugar, jelly powder, all-purpose cream, and sweetened condensed milk. Now let's start. In a pot, add 6 cups of water and bring it into a soft boil. Once medyo kumukulo na ang ating tubig, you can add now the coffee powder and gently stir it. So hinay-hinay lang tayo guys sa paghalo para hindi po tayo mapaso. Once that is done, add sugar and stir until completely dissolved. So ang sugar guys, magdedepende yan sa inyo kung gaano katamis ang coffee jelly na gusto ninyo. Once everything is completely dissolved, gradually sprinkle jelly powder and stir it immediately to prevent lumps underneath. Once that is done, pour mixture in a square pan and let it cool to set. Make sure to get the bubbles para malinis tignan ang ating coffee jelly. Do the same with our Milo mixture. In a 6 cups of water, add Milo powder and gently stir it. Only use 2 sachets of Milo for this mixture because we will use the other one for later. Once that is done, add sugar and stir until completely dissolved. So, ang sugar na nilagay ko guys ay 2 tablespoons of sugar lang dahil manamis-namis naman ang Milo. Once everything is completely dissolved, gradually sprinkle jelly powder and stir it immediately to prevent lumps underneath. Pagtapos na, pour mixture in a square pan and let it cool to set. Get again all the bubbles para nice and smooth ang ating Milo jelly. Once nagset na ang ating coffee jelly, using a knife, cut through the coffee jelly horizontally and then vertically to make cubes. You can also use chopping board while doing this, but in my case, I always love to use my hands. So if you're like me, make sure that your hands are clean before touching the jelly. Once nakat nyo na lahat, your coffee jelly should look like this. Do the same with our Milo jelly. Using a knife, cut through the Milo jelly horizontally and then vertically to make cubes. Once that is done, your Milo jelly should look like this. Now in a large bowl or container, transfer the coffee and Milo jelly together. Then add all-purpose cream and mix it. Now add your sweetened condensed milk and mix until well combined. Since I love my coffee jelly to be very special, I always love to add 1 cup of Milo mixture, and this is what makes our coffee jelly different from the others. This one is optional. You can add sugar or not. It depends on you kung gaano ka tamis ang coffee jelly na gusto ninyo. And we are done, presenting my very own version of coffee jelly. So ayan guys, that's it. I hope you like my very own version of coffee jelly. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. Most importantly guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell button beside it to be notified every time I upload videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!